is my bike check. Up front, start off, we got the Fit Sky High bars. Took the sticker off though, but they're 29 watt and the quarter raz. I like them. Pretty good bars. Lasting me a while. Moving on, we got the DAC grips from Colt. Pretty fucking grippy. Yeah, but they're kind of big, but they don't really have any grooves or shit in them. But I seem to like them. Then we have on the ends, animal bar ends, aluminum. Had these since the middle of summer. Not bad. Kind of hurt your knees on bar spins though. Yeah, I've been moving on to the Primo Annihilator stem. I had it since Christmas, and it's working out pretty good. Then got the headset, Colt, pretty good, not bad. Then we got these fucking McNeil, old ass McNeil Blazer 2 forks from like fucking forever. I had on fucking, I don't know what to say about those. Not the best fork you can buy. Then we have the Shadow Raptor hub in the front with stun rim with some spokes and shit. It's not bad, but not the best. Then we got a fucking frame, fucking best frame ever, Colt Bad Boy V2, and fucking love this frame. It can do so much, so maneuverable, awesome standover. Moving on, we got the Odyssey Mike Aitken pivotal seat. Pretty good. Like it. Fucking awesome. Then we got the Primo Holobites. Fucking really good cranks. Like them. Then we got the Shadow Nostra pedals. They're old, but I seem to like them. They're fucking pretty good. Got the Shadow Scream Sprocket. Had that for a while. Not bad. With that, got the Colt chain. It's pretty good, pretty tough, lasted me a while. And all that held in with the Fit bottom bracket. Then moving on to the back, we've got the Primo Mix hub. Really, pretty good hub so far. Haven't had any problems. Sounds good. Yeah. And then we got the G-Sport, G-Spot, whatever you want to call it. Birdcage. Really good rim, fucking light. I love it. Feels really nice. And yeah. And we got Colt D-Hard tire in 2.25. Fucking awesome tire. Fucking best tire, man. You can get. Like, it feels so good. Then we got BSD Jersey Barrier Guard for the Primo hub. Then we got Animal Butcher pegs. Slide pretty good. Aluminum, don't rust when you put it outside. That's nice. And we got a second one up front with the Raptor guard. And that's it. That's my bike check.